Instagram and Twitter. We will start with Instagram. Instagram was created by Kevin Systrom and Mike Krieger in 2010. Instagram is a social networking site for sharing photos and videos. It's all about the visual sharing. The devices that work with Instagram include iPhones and Android devices. You can also access Instagram from your computer, but you can only upload and share photos and videos from your cell phone device. It's a social networking app made for sharing photos and videos from a smartphone. Everyone who creates an Instagram account has a profile and a news feed. When you post a photo or a video on Instagram, it will be displayed on your profile. You can interact with other users by following them, being followed by them, commenting on their site, liking, tagging, and private messaging. It's a free account that you can sign up using your existing Facebook account, or you can use your email. All you need is a username and password. Once you're in, you customize your profile by adding your name, a photo, a short bio, and a website link. Your profile is then ready to go. When you post a photo, it's displayed on your profile, and the users who follow you will see your post on their own feed. You will also see posts from other users whom you choose to follow. You can interact with other users, or you can save the photos on from Instagram. If set to private, you will need to approve requests first if people try to comment on your site. Instagram also has search capabilities to find other users, hashtags, or other posts of interest. When it first launched, you could only post photos without any extra editing features. But today, you can post both photos and videos for up to a full minute or more in length. You have the ability to tweak and edit. It has up to 23 filters for both photos and videos. You can put in a caption, you can tag other users, you can tag a geographical location to your photo. You can also post it to some of your other social media networks. So Instagram has expanded its capabilities since its creation. Instagram created the Stories feature back in 2016, but it has recently been updated in 2018. It can be seen as a secondary feed. It appears at the top of the main feed in little photo bubbles at the top. And you'll see little photo bubbles of people that you follow as well as your bubble. It's similar to Snapchat. If you tap the bubbles, you can see that user's stories, but the stories only last 24 hours. And you can even publish your own story. Next, we will talk about 5 unexpected benefits of using Instagram for businesses. You can connect with users and customers alike. A lot of times customers are posting photos about your company. Perhaps you're a restaurant and they've come to eat there. Many Instagram users will take a photo of their food and post it on Instagram. You can learn what people like and don't like. You can see if they tagged your business and if they had negative comments, or what other businesses are similar to yours that they've tagged or posted photos of on their Instagram. You can also use Instagram to reach new audiences and find out other people who are liking things that are similar to your business. It can also help to fuel your other marketing channels. So if you use other social media sites, list your Instagram page at the bottom. Also, list your Instagram on your resume, on your business card to expand your marketing channel. And once you have on Instagram the things that you can do, you post videos, you post your story about your company, people can see what you do as a company and as a business, which will ultimately generate sales. Next, we will talk about the article by Benson called 10 Reasons to Use Instagram for Your Business. Instagram has been proven to be a powerful marketing tool to expand presence and your visibility. More people are using Instagram. There are over 800 million active users on Instagram. Because of all the users, any size business can thrive, whether small or big. Businesses can also make money directly from Instagram. If you put on shoppable posts where you put your product and put the phone number to order it and say, hey, buy this here. Also, stories make your business relatable. It shows what you can do and you can relate to your audience in those stories. You can also partner with influencers. Influencers are online celebrities who promote a brand or a product and take it into the mainstream. Hashtags also increase your visibility because hashtags are essentially keywords that summarize what your picture is saying, what your company is all about. Next, you can effectively engage with customers. You can private message your customers, or if your customers write something underneath your picture that you've posted, you can comment and reflect back and respond to that customer. Mobility is king. This app was created to be a travelable app from the start. It is meant to be on your phone. So the app can go in all places. People all over the country and the world can see your business because the app is mobile. You can keep an eye on your competitors. And lastly, it offers many ways to get creative. So how do you set up an Instagram business account? First, you download the Instagram app, you log in, or if you don't have a current account, you sign up and follow the prompts. Then once you're in the app, you scroll down to the switch to business account. So this business account will be linked to your personal account, but you can switch between the two, and neither one is impacted by the other. Within your business account, you add your business hours, your address, your phone number. You put a username and a bio. This username should match your brand on your social media profiles. You use your bio to explain what your business is about and what people can expect from your Instagram profile. Then you use a profile picture, which is usually your company logo, but remember it's cropped in a small circle, so make sure it fits. Then once you have your business page, you can follow people who are relevant to your brand, promote your account, manage your Instagram presence alongside of your other social media channels. You can set goals for your business on Instagram. You want to make sure that you are using strategic goals and you are using SMART goals. You create an Instagram content strategy. This is a deliberate marketing plan. And how do you do this? It should include how often and when you're going to post, what content themes you're going to have. It's best to have rotating different content themes to maintain interest. What style guidelines? It's best to stick to a similar style throughout your page so people become acclimated to your style. And engagement guidelines. Are you going to be a we will respond to you type of Instagram? Will you put a poll up or ask questions for people to answer? So how can you build an Instagram brand for your business? Well, you want to aim to build a cohesive and recognizable brand identity. And you do this by creating visual consistency. Use the same filter for every post so your site looks the same throughout. Establish a recognizable style. Choose your subject matter. Create a branding hashtag. Stay true to your audience so your audience recognizes your product and your business. Get creative with your Instagram account And don't neglect captions. You can put things in all caps or italicized letters. Use photo and video albums. Take risks with Instagram stories because Instagram stories has over 250 million average users a day. Collaborate with influencers and boost your business results with Instagram ads. These are some things you can do to build your business, build your brand on Instagram. Now, what are some new things and exciting changes to Instagram? Well, video chat is now in Instagram Direct. You can video chat with one or another person or even a group of people for up to 4 people. It's a real-time video in a private space. You can also block or mute a person. There's also the topic channels on Explore. So when you go to search, there's different topics that you can choose from that you might be interested in that has a variety of pictures of your interest. These are personalized channels. It's a For You channel. It's a mix of posts tailored towards your interests. Also, there are new camera effects. There are many new filters that have been added to Instagram. Now we will discuss Twitter. Twitter began by co-founder Jack Dorsey in 2006, aided by Noah Glass, Biz Stone, and Evan Williams. It is an SMS-based communications platform. Friends keep tabs on what each other are doing based on their status updates. Twitter, TWTTR, was developed by Noah Glass. That was the first name of Twitter, spelled like that. The first tweet was sent by Jack. He sent a message March 21st, 2006 at 9:50 p.m. stating, "Just setting up my Twitter." The growth of Twitter was massive. After the 2007 South by Southwest conference, there was a huge explosion of usage. More than 60,000 tweets were sent per day at that event. The character limit was originally designed to adhere to mobile phone-based platform text messages. So 140 characters was the limit for most cell carriers for free messages. So that's why 140 characters was the early limit for tweets. But in 2017, it was increased to a tweet limit of 280 characters. Now, users created different types of things on Twitter that actually stuck. For example, users created new jargon and different ways to use the service. They used the @ symbol functional, and which made the creators use that as a functionality. When users wanted to talk about a certain person, they used the @ sign. And the creators said, "Hey, that's a great functionality. Let's build that into Twitter." The hashtag was created by users. Retweets were created by users. And all of these things were created by users and then implemented by the creators of Twitter. 47% of people who follow brands on Twitter are likely to visit the company's website. This is why and how your small business should use Twitter. You can expose your company to a brand new audience around the world. There could be a minor problem, such as your brand can suffer irreparable damage from a misguided or badly timed tweet. So if you tweet out negative comments, it can make you or your company look really bad. So here are some reasons why your brand should use Twitter. Twitter followers can help you build your brand. They can show you, if you tweet out to your customers, you show that they're part of the conversation of your company. It can instantly let them know your news, any news that you have going on. Use Twitter to monitor competitors. Hear what other people are saying. You can present and develop a kind of image that attracts your potential customers. It's a great networking tool. And lastly, you can engage with your customers on Twitter. This is another channel for listening to and finding out about your customers. This is another channel to inform and engage your current and potential customers. By engaging and having a personality, that becomes part of your overall brand. And lastly, you have to remember it's not very engaging or social just to blast out one-way messages. So you must hold some type of conversation with your customers, consumers, and followers. And that is a little bit about Twitter and Instagram.